Okay, FM 101.7.
Atwa so me kwa homa no so na me ne owura Peter Boa ma otuko no wo Deputy General Secretary ma opposition amanyeko kese wo Ghana National Democratic Congress NDC na NDC Manifesto Committee nso abadwafo no wo member ka ho a ye ne no ebekasa owura Peter Boa ma otuko no memu anche o
mejo so aho
wie ye dance so abeka ye ho anopai enro ayete mampanyi dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wo da Manifesto Committee edi Wadawroma Ghana for pesu wo mu hunu nie ewo mu abadwafo wo mu mo ne suade hunu ene hyehye ahodo a mudi gu akwam yetie o
yo akoni edika me se enra adwumadie na yedi ye no eye adwumadie sonko na le sente adwumadie sonko ne se wo hwa nka bia ye be kwa abato a nka ye ti abidjoku a sa abidjoku no manifesto adwuma na se ubun kompo eku 2016 manifesto skra ye wo mam ha na ye no hejina nkan pa akese insam ene kwan a ye kutire ye ma na nkanyanko bon ye adom na woto nsupagu ye dima so na kudibie ye dia na nka o me ye ne ta tia kwansam ya sia ahunye hia ene ni obroni friend busy ena abeye yetama nazo no popi alpo ataye ntimi enji nkudi ema ye kwan ema yetimi ehwe ye ma bibi tede president Mahama no ka wabetien buda wosua de na bisua no wosua ya no so no woye mistakes no so abeyesu na sinehu a wanya ene ekwanya wafaso enya experience na waye bida na wohu bibi obetimi aye adu no ho behia se wode ebedeku a se bio wo munim de konkan na wo mo nsoso no wo makwadre wo mudumali a wo mudimu yie pa na se kase top policy practitioners and as practitioners and technical men wo mo so no wo mo enimdie ene wo mo experience no e won kai no kan wo bom na wo no ni experience ni nyema wasue nyina wo di mama Ghana ku nyina ene wo bia body le so bon semma no ya kani nyina bom na ye di akochire ye ni so adi egu kan aso na sai ni so adi ye di aye message e di akoton ama Ghana fo se di be ya Ghana fo e bitimi ato na omudi omani edi ati na omato abaman na nyuma pa ene mpempenso a ye fa Ghana kudu ye no ye bitimi abani abeto aso ni ahye mu kidakra ma edi suadi hunu ni ye ni nkoso a ye nyina ye da sori a ye bompa ye nyankopon bedo momai na etimi edi adomomai intinra Manifesto Committee and President pa hontuma na asema woka ya very significant message Ghana for the yedru no yinya ko Ghana for the yedru no yinya obi a se bi owo tema ewo do ematimani for and you obi a se bi owo ba because of avia ne papa boshe bi a wo share ni se oni e kwan bi a so bi president anate wobi na busua a wo pese na busua ne so pele wo mamu aso mo nso mo busua ti o mamu ha no enti e no be different na mumu no ti ba mu fo ni enti o sha enura bejeko na eri tu da a professor Kwekuda so bo afuda insem titipa president ekatire ele se yenko tie timamfo yenkotie komamfo na yenye ye friend of the People's Manifesto no ye che manifesto a timamfo nan kasan yenda o makoma so ye betimi aka aye ho adwuma ama o mo tade be ya wo mo so o makoma beto mo ye because ye tu da we ye ni nama ye bre ye tu kwa ye campaign nyina no
Okay.
And the as a manifesto not responding to the needs of the people. And this time around, the manifesto, yes, it na say, and quite say, with your way, a better baby, a debut. Now, more experiences as technicians, the practitioners, no market come out here, but no master the senior man, I manifesto baby. This time around, you have to call every single constituency. You have problems are, or more local problems are. Any of them are SCC and all. You have problems now. Now, and no, you are localized manifesto for the people. So you are responding to the direct needs of the people at various conferences. And you tell me no, Kate. Yes, party secretary, Edin Kata, and my region for any conference of master to the year or more area or more to the that. That will by the end of December. Na nina appetite committee no. Na committee no asa for mo na so. Eno ma ko di ebi mo ho nkomo. Na yes share ye betimi aye ho adwuma, ye yentimi ye ho adwuma, anamo aye betimi e dey affect problems na mo. Na sana ya ba be trust after policy solutions. Aye dey address our problems we. Osha 2016 manifesto na the DMO consulting among for more ideas and black. I'm a secretary to the manifesto committee. Yeah, amount for opinion. But the difference is that young co amount for now over the various constituencies. Any more could you one consultative for and so forth. But this time around, already no president and then powerful. I shall hear Asia, various groupings, special groupings,
okay.
The better committee, the better issue, now you call round. I think we are hopeful that this time around, message I did back, any manifesto I did back, it will respond to the direct needs of the people. Not only respond to the direct needs of the people, it will be practical and realistic. Young, the dada, Ghana, for to send you a yarn, a year, young could not be and send you or more, now you're fine creative policies. Yes, sure, Biasa and Sayasa. Obeka 2016. Then Kufa the policies are 1 year to do now. India, I know, Minchiming. Was any President Mahama, I know a 2 years. All go through Commander Sugar Factory, Oshayana, Adiana, no day, Asha, all Munchiming, was you, President Mahama, as if factory. Then remember, men 1 district, 1 party, one Tracia and Jane, and share policy, no. We acquire on the first so up to 2 years money not to put in our internet. So one district one but you only for the number who greet your year was a mucra then I'm aware how you tone provisions, but then I'm a 1 district one but the bone. Now, you're 1 district one but ever appear in your animal, no, the Acobon there 1 district 1 party. And he said you one time game policy who you and our dear. One I'm happy. Hello, go to President Mahama, down more amount for a year. Oh, I was maybe by 1 village, 1 dam. And no, because they may village back could be but dam on blue on the may call me and not to men and a demo crew, my down, but dam when it be blue away. Into 1 village, 1 dam away. Into you see, oh, yeah, what you said, wouldn't throw Muslim cat in Nada and a day. I'm on your sema. When you be working. If you have the to President the group then you must go after name offer helper, President the group and you must go. Yapumudinsa, offer school, President the group and you must go. Offer the Casema, President the group and you must go. Offer Energia, President the group and you must go. Offer Manonia, President the group and you must go. The big deal, however, be a panel for my name. Now, near a young woman said, yeah, Ghana, for now, I'm then our castle, Ghana. Now, more on the one, you meet farmers, Japan, Electricity Corporation of Ghana, and they extra amount for in a very fraudulent manner. Many will say that PDS is a year by a
mo mandate na ye de amamo no e se eno na Ghana fo party se de be ye bre no so a wo mo de betutu we hu se wo mo pemu ana so wo mo pemu tie ye wi ana ye beba PDS so na ye ba PDS so mo dwumadi a ye de amamo no nkofo ka se aka afe ene busumi kakra bi ne ya to aba se Ghana for the omo pe eye policies a wode ba na agina so de ato aba ma wo ase NDC for ma chedodo e se de mo de beba bia na fe kura mo ba betena se na ma ba betase adwene abegege omanfo adwenkyere ma ba keka sie ni ansa na ma ba beton e de ama Ghana for enti omo kasa mo ache no e den na ubetimi de yi wo ma no
wana mo na e ka se yake menti bi mi se okay
anti se aka afe ene busumi kakra bi ni ato aba na se party ni munyina so maaya enha adwene wo ho
oh na o kai se president Kufuor time on launch the manifesto launch the manifesto say October or November 2016 na ka busumi ba for na ya for election na launch the manifesto that aye ani e power anti president Kufuor the manifesto way
Enti nana de danko Kufuor nana de danko Kufuor na ye wo yardstick
anano wo mu kofa homosexuality sensem yi ba ya that coalition ya lawyer fo aboni mu da no demand say amount from politics nga wo mu gina radio so mu to the information minister and our communication director wo mu di policy afi no mu beda ni o policy abaye wo abemu a wuku mai na wuntimi hu wani swadi hu a just hu no wuni ani swadi hu so ati ejo bibia obeka se ya chebia no zani pa no ida se wapayo bi no person de kebi ana o bibia kan o kan gete. This is the earliest time any political party in the history of this country at the committee say yenya manifesto.
Yo, oro to kono ti
ya by this time Kenzo Atiba edumu kra ko yi flag bearer. Yenya the first political party for Ghana yi flag bearer.
Ejo oro to kono yenhwe.
Ijombe dey produce omovation.
Yenhwe mo timelines say wa mo yenhu say MPP for na ye mo yardstick. Enti yenhwe mo timeline no.
MPP for na yardstick.
Ansa mi busa wa ho na wo de kwoto ye. Sa wo de uko wachi. Edi to wo mo de hu na so mo na ye wo yardstick.
David akoye sa na wa mbwe people.
Oh, David say ezo ro to kono mi busa wo say
yardstick de biara ta. Wo nye bi krada.
But omo na wo de ye mfato ho. So wo na wo de ye mfato ho. Mi busa wo say kofo hu ni say esenka mo policies ne bantem e na wo kase na do danko Kufuor o de ba October na so onu mum na ade ne toto susudia na ade aye wo de ana.
David ako wa bra tiefo che onti ade no de be bi wo ya kasa. Because Osha MPP 2016 no wo opposition. And I make us October November was October na aka be de na otwe miensa o se na otwe 9. Me akọ abafo. Eno mo bi o manifesto that is that. Wo mo manifesto committee ka me nye so say June 2016 normal to manifesto committee no mo opposition. Enya se ye de wo to mo. O ja before mo hwe ya asa no matter. Yetu anamo anomutu. Bibie ni wono ma bibia ye yo mo original idea da. Wo mo nye bi da wo mabra ko. They are reactionary elements.
Yeah, it's already going
to why you have always you best know. But the most important thing is say, so share a mera ya to committee. Committee no affect me a say what they prepare manifesto. We are hoping to a manifesto no, you best launch them. But you do medina no, you a choir, you bet me I respond to the needs of the people. Not just to meet timeline. Osha, I part of your constitution. Your constitution, let's say, your flag bearer. As you know, better before elections. Now, time is the crowd put the kids but for the first time in the history of the party, time is ahead of election year. You know, Yanyama year to keep in our year to push by the end of the year, near machine music, and now so that they put to a boom, yet they far work boom, yet the Sadia boom. Take your bear, your shake campaign, not yet. Young Conquan. Now, young Conqua, now, I should be a gun for a day as well. Say, young brand, you make your man, work man, you make your man in free that, and Quasuba, and then now buying the from and where you money. So we are on a rescue mission. Rescue mission, so the Oka, and now prepare, prepare. I'm more on the contingents of a year, man, and prepare. Now, Mukwa, what tactics at the year you need less. Now, yes, yeah, prime minister, you know, the car of video will you say. Yes, yeah, prime tactically, you can optimize the seat of parliament. And we are not looking below 176 in parliament. Now, you hold the presidential election about it. About to be not first round, the next one is now calling a home. Now, or Nana. And no, and this was the year. If you leave your country, never mind, share the caliber of your committee.
And no, Busa.
And say, you will both your poor in Rana, a Kobu or Wana, or when your master will be. Finra, and people to me in dire because they are wondering what we want to do with our manifesto committee. Osha, very experienced, brilliant people. They will want one, and Mr. Munimomo. You also are Munimomo. Osha will be to say Professor Nana, one of the stout academicians and educationists in the country. Arches and in a conkai. Osha will be to say Muzitano. Very brilliant mind. Dr. Siama, former Deputy Governor of Bank of Ghana, Dr. Alasa Yakubu, Dr. William Haji, an acute academic, on watch at the more than 2 decades. Ura, Sabiali, Ura Chuchu Fuku, for a lawyer. Now, may I show some more when you Ura Chuchu Fuku Yepa? And you say, oh, you're very deep thinker, strategist. Just about policies, one, you need to be a conkai power. And na no yeli tamu nyina e wo hono mo Ura Sebastian De Napoleon Ko Professor Siama Professor Stephen Kendi e wo hwe Ura Alna Idusu the level of experience when it comes to policy formulation in Atepo team no a very solid team and an ace diploma was academic and that more Professor Okuda Suba in this team we no any team bi a ye ba be Agrobia keke na me sure say ba na ya left no any you may be about it will be very difficult for the MPP to catch up as usual because every time we are an MPP the standard ISS no e modu we anom ya no matiaje enti ye hwe kwan say by next year middle of next year na you do be no after a year but who say ye announcement na ye ni nra ya say consultant here or mobile team no ama yedumedie no etimi egina ne naso na Professor Kwame na ahoy any visa team of consultants name owura from the Abakwapansa me say we move bebre mu no they can one of the senior policy practitioners one big policy formulation no pa Ghana hanoma work out owura Abakwapansa and Madam Seriaiti, Honorable Madam Seriaiti, on also new experience in it's abound. Madam Christina Bakuliam, one also so a team of consultants. And some people will never work a bigger poor, ye be with Ama, yet message, yet the performer to me before, Ama to me before, a general, we any media na all can be PDF
and can me babe busa say abanse concession agreement no abanse o processor o twem na say o twem an no wasi gina say obetwem enti wasi kwan so a o twem ansem NDC for mo hu ne say
yo we dey kan me say near President Akufo-Addo and then that near womo aye woman ye ni nam sebio ni ya kasanwa na ya nye timanfo a ye dwen woman no na so ye wo do mo man ade na esi ne mo du pa o nsam na akoso krono mo akoso e wo sa de e ye serious se mo be kaya ma me take time na me check na ma bi mu se wo hwa sa PDS in say 7 cover by na say President Kufuor time abrofo no e dey bibi brɛ a yɛfrɛ no Millennium Challenge account na saa Millennium Challenge account na just share na the this was say for mine a ɛwɔ Africa just wɔn democrat dey conk na wɔn hwɛ a wɔn daakye na ɛda wɔn anim na wɔn fortunes ɛwɔ soro wɔbɛboa wɔn nti wɔde compact one by ma President Kufuor side wɔn de $350 million na buy ebi na yɛde yɛ ɛno wa under President Mahama ɛna wɔn bɛhwɛ adwumadi a ne ayɛ na wɔn hwɛ ne yɛ President Mahama ɛyɛ ne n'ani so adi ɛna wɔn hu sɛ Ghana ne yɛ wɔ dum so na dum so na yɛ wɔ mu no yɛ energy challenges no na ɛyɛ capacity generation capacity but President Mahama tu the nearest generation capacity no so ama that time na ayɛ kɔ no near de egu akwan mu nyinaa no yɛ developing excess capacity of over 2,000 megawatts. It's not the thing I acquire a big distributed energy. I said, "Okay, I'm assuming I'm saying for let them go do so in Cotuaso." 18. On what the compact in the buy and I buy say, them says, "With no my for energy distribution." And you know, more year one cracker. And almost say, the Beco energy distribution, where they acquire the capacity of UC Yankasa. It's young for private persons now. When we work capacity, it wouldn't be a whisker. Near for one that can use before no one yet. And no any concession agreement in the buy. Yembrano, the shortlisted this company. One more and give you back home. Idea and you may no assure monster. You are stressed so much technical capacity, no more scat. You are stressed one more financial capacity. You are stressed a quiet bit in your faso. I share it with you cannot. You share one more any sweating. President the good for the buyer. Therefore, beyond what I mean to you know the show, one over you need to go between them. But can we say, some men cry a concession agreement? A good father in a powerful about years so it's see a person told this. Echo share workers, EDH, a show to Pam or Moki can't tell my year with the dear. It's he actually will say, and your tone, your tone. Ye quack yet, and no what. Which is say, attack, but don't and no by any back, may I check. One more year, one more minute. Fast forward, and that is the animal. One more year, near now. And no chap, it's short listed companies, and almost a UCD board. Meet that board and also is by. And a minister of energy, and a minister of finance, and almost select PDS company. See you. That PDS company now almost selected. Near the kind. Media will be created a company no more shortly or more yearly contract. Naman. Near what the contract name power or yes, in the fire, where Baba. Only one of vibration. Now, what will you make capacity in energy and power generation? It is UCD, a Japadia worth 22 billion. Uncle Baba, some money, this is the problem. Yet you want to a kind back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Till you. Nyako PM say conditions are not abiding on the Millennium Development Authority, the Millennium Challenge Corporation, as a set our condition way, and the air condition I would mean to abiding a Japanese in the best one. Some conditions, abiding a grand name president, Dr. Baumia. Our conditions, without recourse to the Millennium Challenge Corporation and the Millennium Development Authority. I didn't see 10 years back. Yes, not that BDS company, no, but 51% shares. Not for much to check out my woman now before no cronies. Our money were doing say, one more else, a band Japadiano, Ama for 20 years, that 51% shares now, one more would you moving you want, Papa. If you really issue yes, now then, and I won't sound one, I'm almost you. Yes, now and no interest now holding and the man will cost the conditions I had to conditions are there to one thing. Yes, so will be a senior dying oriented. Oko will be advanced as an order Tapuama. Yes, advance near 6 months, this under Ghana. Oko will be Kana Manipano, as an order Tapuana. Next, that contract here, PDS, yɛhwɛ wɔ mo anim mo si daabi mo deɛ mo yɛ yɛn nkurɔfoɔ eti no yɛntumi ngye mo advance no yɛ bank guarantee condition precedent yɛntumi ngye mo eti saa condition precedent ni yɛahyehyɛ no yɛayɛ no condition subsequent nso deɛ mo ngye safoa no mo nkɔ tɛ bɛn no mu mo nyɛ mo adwuma mo nyɛ nea mo pɛ mo nyɛ sika na mo abetua yɛ ɛno ɛna 19 February Dr. Bawumia edi saa midafoɔ no GCD foɔ no traase na o take saa decision no ɛma o eti sika aka ade akɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ asa ne yɛ GCD ama ɔmo no yɛ yɛ efiri hɔ n'etie ne yie paa yɛ saa de ma ɔmo wie no ade na still ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ na yɛayɛ no condition subsequent ma deɛ wie o deɛ ma start di ho sika yɛtua bills no di nea ɛyɛ sɛ mo yɛ no ne yɛ fɛ no bank guarantee ne sɛ wɔfɛ sika no sika a wɔde ɛyɛ nsiakyi baa no na wɔde akɔto bank na ɛsɛ time bi a yɛhia kyerɛ sika no yɛkɔ bank a yɛnsa bɛka Dr. Bawumia sɛ daabi mo deɛ mo yɛ yɛn nkurɔfoɔ mo yɛ abusuafoɔ yɛ interest nti saa bank guarantee no yɛnsan kɔyɛ no insurance guarantee ne kyerɛ sɛ wɔn mo tua insurance wɔ daabi na sɛ dwumadie no ankɔ yie a na yɛakɔgye saa insurance no na sɛ wohwɛ sikafuduo nso a na ɛfa saa dwumadie mu a yɛwɔ criteria of insurance company bi a wode nka yɛmfa ne sɛ nka yɛfa ne saa koraa yɛ n'adwuma saa ɛyɛ yɛde kɔ yɛte hɔ ɛna nkurɔfoɔ yi ɛkɔɔ kata ɛkɔfa company bi baeɛ sɛ akut ɛna ɔmode ba akut yi de nkrataa baeɛ sɛ o ayi pds fo abɛgye insurance wɔyɛ hɔ nti insurance no wɔyɛ hɔ mo nyia a mo mbra abɛgye nneɛnka ɛne serious government a wɔde aban agyapadeɛ ɛma obi biara nka ɛsɛ ɔyɛ ne sɛ oyɛ nyobroni frɛ ne due diligence ako sɛ woba dɔme market ana wobɛtɔ ntos a meyɛ so wɔ sɛ woyi a na wasoso market ɛho ɔden anaasɛ ɛho abobɔ a menim sɛ wompɛ ntos ɛho abobɔ nti ntos no ɛho abobɔ no ne bɛto nkyɛn na wayi ne ɛho ɔden no ɛno de yɛ due diligence nti nkrataa no ɛduma ne sɛ ka wo bɛkɔ no makɔhwehwɛ company no sɛ company no koraa ɛyɛ due diligence ya no sɛ na wɔtumi a bi ne akɔfa na ama no akɔsa nkrataa no ne yɛde abɛdaadaa nkurɔfoɔ yi sɛ yɛakɔfa insurance yaba eti mu a advance na yɛ sɛ mo de no mo anyɛ mo de dan safoa na mo asase tena dan no mu insurance na yɛ sɛ ɔmo de ba nso ɔmo de check na aba check no nso yɛ post-dated check no nso wokɔ check yɛ account ne ni hɔ no na sɛ bio ɛnyɛ toɔ no pa ako na yɛ den eti yɛ questions a amanfoɔ busa ne sɛ ɛbaa ne sɛn ɛna mpanyinfoɔ akuku dam si ne ɔmo nim deɛ ne we have the men wɔn tumi tena hɔ ɛto ɔman n'adwapadeɛ asaram saa ɛma obi bɛfa adwapadeɛ no mato no asaram de akyɛ firii a yɛ ɔmo antia wɔ hwee wɔn abɛtena ase ama ɔmo ama mo 1 Ghana koraa ama ɔmo de bi si 22 million ama ɔmo fi first match ebesi nɛ nsika a ɔmo agye koraa almost 1.9 billion wɔn ankawto mu obia na akotie yie nea ɛde pds nsɛnsɛm ne nyinaa san pie yɛ a ɛnɛ yɛbɛduru nea ɛduru ne sɛ mmerɛ a wɔgye 1.9 billion no na wɔn hyɛ akyire ne asa pds no yi de kyɛ nkurɔfoɔ yi na wɔn hwɛ kwan sɛ nkɔmɔ nyɛ wɔn de adi afiri mu adidigya ɛna ɛdi emunum na ɛkɔ start baayɛ saa adidigya no ɛna wɔn tɛn wɔn sa na wɔn ma start ayɛ adwuma yi mo due diligence koraa yɛ anyɛ yɛde ade akyɛ mo na yɛ interest kakra ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛbɛba na ɛmba sɛ ɛnyɛ mfa kwan mu saa ɛno na maa kɛmikori ata finance minister ɛde kyerɛ nkrataa tentententen kɔma a majority shareholders 51% no ɛyi TG Energy Solution Santa Baron ne n'asefoɔ ɛkɔmɔ ɔmo sɛ mo 51% na yɛde maa mo yɛsrɛ mo yɛpɛ sɛ mo divest mo shares no na mo de bi ma companies foforɔ companies a yɛbɛsɛlɛ ɛna ɔmo sɛ na yɛn ade sɛ ne yɛn yɛn de yɛdin ne yɛnim akɔ parliament akɔ sign agreement yɛn yɛdin ne yɛ companies ne wɔ na ɛba ne sɛ ne yɛde shares ne bi bɛma mo de ma company foforɔ ɛhɔ ɛna problem ne hyɛ aseɛ saa de na nkasa finance minister kyerɛ yɛ no ɛyɛ tirimidie kɛseɛ kronobɔ kɛseɛ ɛna na nkɔ pɛ sɛ ɔyɛ eti nkɔfɔ ne sɛ ɔmo mpene okay mo mpene deɛ ɛne yɛbɛhwɛ because yɛn yɛasesa yɛde yɛfa adwapadeɛ gye akyɛ mo nneɛma yɛ sɛ mo de ba nyinaa mo amfa mba ne yɛde akyɛ mo eba ne send ye ba se mo ma shares ni bi ma other company ye nso nya kakere ni amoso mo mpene ho ana Peter no wudi ni de be fam so due diligence ne kra fie ye no ye nya nti afi ya ko due diligence no ye ko hwehwe impact and insurance na mo de buy no say na watima bi a wo akut insurance wo no mo e na okosan ye na akut ne kra ye kan kra say na mo capacity do wo no wo mo ma insurance for car any fire any life insurance ne na tete na insurance ke sie say dia wo mo di capacity kra wo mo de be ma enti no dey na ye time ma mo na ye fraudulent enti ya suspending no enti adi di janinti e na ye di suspension ne bai na no mo nim say America for now wo dey scan mo no mo so mo interest e wo contract ni America for the musical ba almost 300 million abadada aka was 90 billion it's almost doing now and yet behind companies no miracle no Manila miracle no any wo set our only energy tieni yepa sa miracle for Manila Philippines wo mo no mukra 30%. But the NCP for him say America for that kata we interest wo miracle do so afiase and anedia na wo mo ekofo mo Angola na eduno asem ni period ye president tu kwa Angola na wo mo ko negotiate a house no compressor mo upload do tie no mo ni say America for no any die kire wo mo san ko miracle for ho na miracle for hu say 51% shareholders Ghana for na buying effort on them to take charge of PDS. No, almost in say miracle for na kaka no money because 51% shareholders now nanka buying any buying penny for be akufu adon down for person of channel. Woma ofa she anko contract ni mu apartment. Once the crowd man ye. Eti miracle ni su say adie no liability bi ba. So liability ni ba wo miracle for japade e wo ma e Philippines. Ena wo amai no ekwa akodi akire ade omonsa akwa akoto so eti omonso mo create bi e friend special purpose vehicle no yes another company sa another company no ye ni omunya asema e tete ye ni sa other company no and the daily say ye be ya sa other company no wo mo liability then transfer copyright because our Meridian Power Ventures no a new company go mo tie ya mo friend special purpose vehicle and no body ba okay the abra for the best science contract by uploading your shares no 30% aba sa SPV na efe no Meridian Power Ventures yeti a omo ya sa no se omo bu se danger bi na kwa so ba eti omo ya sa no na 51% kwa ni so se adie companies ya adie Ghana for hu ye ya edi akiri ababa for ne ya edi eti yesu so omo ya special purpose vehicle yes, you are going special purpose vehicle. You need to upload your shares no man. It's what I did not call you my it will be a check fire. Said you can one I have no so that you're protecting your own nephew no put the code away. And no, and a minimum challenge corporation every airline. And only a bank. And one who fraud there was a buying up perpetuity. And was what buying. But the agency now start yes I do. In the first place, no chrono and a mabo. But as I say, company the after agreement that I had the car at home. Now you see what interest I will be laughing. You have a because you have 300 million as you would have. 7%. You think you cannot 190 million on the back. Muni will sell PDS and say, Munia, what person will you with Munian? And a president of the show on play. Let's get the power. In Tokwa Abane, almost a one-track contract, million boss, and more money, and then Ghana pointing on track contract. Because Cronway, of course, no money from the beginning. So much for foreign insurance, nobody brought money a product. They know from the beginning. So what you here? It's America for one say, sir, the cow, but you are saying no man and copper.
Okay,
it's more PDS for your Mojima. The more PDS for your Mojima. 190 million of second chance in Ember. Compatre na ye baneka ya sisa ya agi ha compatre no. Ye fa Ghana kwa ya no sub regional compact. 500 million. Utie yi abenya $1 you pay your program you oni asikani akwa ma. But ye ma o sa compact no ma kwa u ya 500 million no. compared to the President Mahama in year 2040 and 500 million. Yeah, farmer. If you get your almost that, the past president, Katasumu Waso, Jumudia, Estashe, Project Tankai, Wayenia Mana Basa, it's not much denial process compared to Bagada. Now, the Apple people see and say, ECG and the previous high agreement. There will be any Millennium Challenge Authority and our corporation ever communicate here. A Millennium Development Authority board chairman and the better also say anything, they are finding out. Then the air partners were given to the candidate. Let you see before accumulating will be a candidate. Now, and yet, can the Buriata and the better, am I say, was terminated contract. I will say, a woman in that, and contempt a woman is there. I said, we pay you, what Deputy Minister of Energy, wasn't there a letter of intent and a letter of termination? And I was, said you previous, and then Kopu, you are more and we attend class, and carry you to be arguing for another. Yes, can propose termination of contract.
And you wrote to Kono, and the
letter of intention to terminate.
I wrote to Kono,
and no come to Anna. You, I go and come to an important. Minowaka, and next every quarter. Abrofo Mumfa Bushika. Na ya fa yi CG. Ya terminate contract. Enyema mi emi na esi bisaya. Aban ebe koso akoselect another company the CG amano under which conditions, under which terms and which procurement method. Ana. Yeah, SSM said you mun say chrono wa koso PDS no. Empenifo edi anim ama omo boss akọ no. Keno Foriata Peter Mewu, Kelly Gadgetu, woman na boni on my edit the moment in ano. Companies now on the fake letter and the bed that Ghana for us, Siano Maji, the electricity bill 1.9 million, and then the young. The band the actual Mako Dinafo, the band and running your media Mako Breeze. Keno Foriata, Peter Mewu, woman, the idea way more with him pass at the end of the year, cock beach move. A fraudulent, I put for power to Manasa and class. Now, we are the month of electricity bill, the cinema. And then over your office.
Oh, no, to Kono, Yamra was your branding tea.
I said, Mamma Kaba from Cow. Doctor, you know what to meet you. A man can't I have to say agreement I have signed. Say, a condition with bank guarantee. Now, one more at any place, meaning for any truth, the president for the truth. What it was a agreement, agreement, insurance guarantee instead of bank guarantee. Now say no crap, no, I saw my back to magic company, no more young way to man. Dr. Bomian, not you would say no. Maybe a Dr. Bomian can never resign. But, said you, or to one, I think, say, Ghana, where's yes, or immediately Monday, said Dr. Bomian, by now I saw the matter. Some can inform you now about 1 year. Men just was some of the best father for because President of Kuba the idea. Although we then do was massive. But President, as what Ghana would be. You say one of the dear march happen the bucket we court.
We are in
Ghana for my better Yama. 1 year and Coco winning every honorable. And Sana, a Japadiano, among from a 2 weeks camel. With to an investigation, I ever hear crying. Of prosecute woman, they will interfere with the investigation. So can Oforiata today must resign or must be sacked. Peter Mewu must resign or must be sacked. Bahodia must step aside or must be sacked. So that we can have a clear investigation. That will be our way to obey Send it. Yo,
Mate, me dance. Ono Peter Buamo took on a Deputy General Secretary ma NDC among your corner manifesto committee where a member can no action common.
Okay, FM 101.7.